You can see, especially on this beam here, even in what was originally a 2x12, you see very little knot structure, and what knots you do see are sound, not big open holes in the face of the beam. So this is really what sets these kinds of beams, these inland dug fir beams, apart from other typical glue lamps that you've seen. One of the other advantages that you'll see to these beams is that the finger joints here are extremely tight. We do not typically have any gapping, or what's known as tip gap, in our finger joints, so they're very difficult to spot when they're installed. And then you'll also notice that in comparison to some other glue lamps, the glue line itself is pretty much invisible, and that's because the glue that we use is white when it's been processed, instead of the black glue that you may be used to seeing in a lot of glue lamps. In our process, it's not a big deal for us to work with you as far as your needs. We don't absolutely have to round the edges. If you order it square edged, we can leave it square edged. If you want no putty in it, we can do that. If you want it to where it's already finished and done when it arrives on the site, that's also possible. So our process is very flexible and allows us to do any number of things that you need to complete your job efficiently.